Hello and welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. I'm the Disney Stranger, and boy do I have a story to tell you. Just recently, Dad God Parks and myself were kidnapped by the evil Emperor Zur. That's right, but luckily for us, the LGMs were close by and they were able to rescue us. You know, the little green men. Yeah, lucky for us, they were close by, so they took us in their little alien spaceships and we were able to get away from the evil Zur. What is this craziness that I'm talking about, you may ask? Well, Dad God Parks and myself were actually at Hollywood Studios and we rode alien swirling saucers. So basically, this was a POV ride. So let's go take a POV trip on alien swirling saucers at Hollywood Studios. To infinity and beyond! It's Dad God Parks! Hello!
This is who I was talking about running into, folks. Okay, I think we're getting ready to go. Mrs. Stranger is way over there. She didn't want to be associated with our lap city.
I'm holding on.
I'm holding on. I'm ready to go. I've got you guys, so you guys won't fall. Let's see how well the gimbal handles. Okay. You've been chosen.
The claw.
Your attention, please. A message from above. For your safety, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Your
The claw. Thank you.
How was your ride, Mrs. Stranger? For a 50th funnel cake. Yes, watch out for the claw.
The claw.
Busy today.
Thanks again, everyone, for joining us on this Disney Stranger adventure. And look who I found here, Dad God Parks.
I'm here. And don't forget to walk upside down.
That's right. Yeah.
Something like that.
Something like that. I
Pretty
forget.
close to that.
So, yeah. And this guy, he never does any outros.
I've
What a
never done one in
loser.
my whole life. Such a loser.
Have a great night.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.